I'm Bryce Johnson. I'm a senior at the Lampeter-Strasburg High School. I work here at Zimmerman's Ace Hardware in Strasburg. I primarily work in the small engine shop, and I help repair any personal lawn and garden equipment that customers bring to us for repair. Right now I'm working on this pressure washer that is from our rental department, and I'm doing a routine service on it for the winter. I'm changing the oil out right now with our siphon pump, and I'm draining out the old gasoline that's in the unit while also cleaning out the carburetor to make sure that it's good and clean to work well in the spring when customers begin to rent the unit. I got into welding before I could drive. My grandfather grew up on a Lancaster County farm, and my earliest remembrance of welding was with him when we welded a special bumper for his pickup truck for a new trailer that he had bought, and ever since then I gotten into welding, and I've been pretty much hooked on it ever since. In 10th grade, I had the opportunity of taking an agricultural education class called Welding and Electricity. And through that class, I really got interested in welding, and I was able to learn about opportunities for welding through the Lancaster County Career and Technical Center, which I pursued in 11th and 12th grade for welding technology education. This year is my senior year, and I took the opportunity to go to the Lancaster County Career and Technology Center for a full-day welding technology program. Through that program, we have a co-op opportunity where students can go out and find jobs and get industry experience while still being in school. I found myself a job at Eby Trailers and Truck Bodies, and I will be working there in the spring and will hopefully transition into a welding position after I graduate.